We're going to look next at Tootsie Roll Industries, Paul.
They actually exist?
This is news to me.
Why aren't they owned by Mars?
Tootsie Roll, a new for the Everything Money show. Tootsie Roll, baby. What's the market cap? Some of the other people are saying he is serious. So.
$2 billion market cap. On the nose, almost.
Tootsie.
PE, 18.68. Profit margin, 15.6 with a gross margin of 37. We have 2 checks so far.
Hold on a second, Paul. We might be swimming in Tootsie Roll juice here.
Basically a 1% dividend yield. So we need $20 million in free cash flow to pay that dividend yield.
Prajesh, I see you there. We're gonna do that one next, baby. I got you.
Prajesh, join the freaking.
He's
okay. Good.
He's good. Don't worry about it. He's good. Tootsie Roll. Let's do revenue growth over the past 5 years, Paul. Let's do it. 2 checks so far.
Oh my lord. 536 down to 523. X.
Uh-oh.
I mean, it's candy. I don't think candy is a huge growth market right now.
But it's going down. Okay, how about profit growth, Paul?
66 to 65. X again.
Okay, no good.
No good. Let's see their number of shares outstanding. It's a check mark here. 69 down to 67. Check mark. And at the beginning of the decade, it was 73.
Do you like Tootsie Rolls?
Love them.
Just the general ones or the flavored ones?
No, the general ones are great. Strawberry is awesome too.
Well, I mentioned Tootsie Roll juice, which people are laughing about because, like sometimes it's so juicy that brown ooze just goes out the side of the mouth, Paul.
I was thinking Tootsie Roll juice was something else.
Oh, sorry. that's my. Yes.
Total current assets, 315. Total current liabilities, 78. Plenty of cash there.
I like that.
Oh, wow. Total liabilities, 221. So, 315. Total liabilities. Check mark there. Decreased by $90 million. Check, 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 check. This is a good one, guys. They have more cash on hand than they have liabilities total. So, where the company's not a $2 billion company anymore, it's $1.9 billion.
What about that Tootsie Roll song, Paul?
The Tootsie Roll, that thing? You play it?
Tootsie Roll, Tootsie Roll. Well, we get a lot at weddings, so, what we're up to. All right, what are we up to, Paul? We're at, how much?
Cash flow.
Free cash flow, pillar number 7, baby.
Up from 76 to 80. Check mark. Remember, their dividends were $20 million a year. So they can definitely support the dividend with this. Now, you ready for the average?
Oh, hold on a second. RJ is saying this is one of those companies that might be going down, but it still might be worth something, Paul.
Oh, 100%, he's right.
What are the numbers in? 76?
76, 82, 26, 73, 80.
80 divided by 5, 76. We need a womp Tootsie Roll sound.
There was a 20 in there.
I'm sorry. Do it again.
Wasn't there a 20 in there?
Yeah, but...
Maybe it still works. 76, 82, 26, 73, 80. Yeah, how's the average 72?
Divided by 5. 70. I have 65, sorry.
65.
Sorry about that. What did I say?
72.
I might have just repeated the last number you said. I'm out of my damn mind. I'm trying to host the show and...
This is a company that's making 65. So right now it's at $65 million a year in free cash flow.
Okay, what are you multiplying
that by? $2 billion, that's 30 times free cash flow. So a company that's revenue is basically stagnant, going nowhere. Profit's stagnant, going nowhere. Free cash flow is stagnant, going nowhere. Do you want to pay 30 times that free cash flow?
Do we?
No.
Oh.
I hate to say this, guys. I want to pay 10 times. Wait till the stock drops by 60%. Yeah, Oof is right. Now, hey, if you want to pay more power to you. But you're not going to. But unless they have some major growth plan that's planned that they're going to be able to sit there and increase their revenue by 5, 10, 15% a year, how do you get there? You got to pay lower multiples. When your cash flow is stagnant, if you have $1 a year for 5 years, why would you pay? And you want to. I mean, I look at it going. Let's say paying $3, paying $2.50. Gives you an ROI of 10% a year. Every dollar above that just drives your ROI down. So I'm looking at going, I'm not getting growth in the company, so I got to pay less for the cash flow today.